Years ago, my wife and I bought a little place out in Ganado, Texas, where we just have some land, a barn. We park our RV out there, and we just use that as a little getaway. We were lucky enough that it had a water well on it when we bought it, but I have no idea how old. We're quite concerned a year ago when our well went out. We just weren't producing any water at all.
When he called, he was out of water. His pump wasn't running. So we got over there and we had a hard time pulling the pump because it was inside 4-inch metal casing. Well, the metal casing through time starts corroding and rusting from the inside in. So we did, thank God, we did get the old pump out.
Yeah,
it was tight.
Yeah.
It jerked and gave. So what I was recommending was, this is the SQ, it's a slimline.
Right.
This is the motor, this is the pump.
Okay.
So if you put it inside the 4-inch, look how much room you've got.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of times if you try to put a 4-inch in an old well like that, you'll stick the pump before you ever get it all the way down, and then the customer loses the pump and the well, and then he's got to pay for another pump. So it's a big benefit and a big plus. Grundfos is really, I've been using those 3-inch slimlines for as long as I can remember, and they hold up good. They're very dependable. I've got some that's been out there over 25 years. They're still pumping, still going.
You saw how quick we got 50 pounds.
Yeah.
I mean, in no time.
For that pump in being no bigger than that,
Yeah. Yeah.
they pump some water.
It was, yeah.
And the impellers being so small,
Yeah.
the amount of volume and high-end pressure that they can deliver is just, the first time I started using them, I was just in shock.
Yeah.
It just amazed me what they can do. They're all stainless steel. You don't have to worry about anything rusting, corroding. But like I said, Grundfos is the only 3-inch that I'm really aware of that I know enough about to know that that's the only one I'll use.
I guess the biggest water use is trying to grow some trees out there, and certainly providing water for the RV and cooking and all of that. Being able to have the water, the quality water, the amount of water, the water pressure, really allows us that opportunity to really appreciate this piece of property to its full extent.